In a faraway land, a dragon named Sizzle had a very silly problem. Every time he sneezed, fire shot out of his nose. One day, he tried to bake a cake for his friend, but achoo, the cake turned into toast. Then he tried to blow up balloons. Achoo! Pop! Every balloon burst into sparks. Finally, his friends gave him a big bowl of ice cream. Sizzle took one bite, and guess what? Berchoo! This time, he sneezed. Snowflakes! Everyone laughed and cheered. And from that day on, Sneezy Sizzle was the funniest dragon in town.